Yala. Yeah, Melala. Now see, very from late to late. Video. Yeah. Sharp. Hola.
Every sky is blue as long as you love it, love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby. You're my constellation. Oh, baby. Every sky is blue as long as you love it, love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby. You're my constellation. Oh, baby. Every sky is blue as long as you love it, love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby. You're my constellation. Oh, baby. Every sky is blue as long as you love it, love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby. You're my constellation. Oh, baby. You're my constellation. Oh, baby. Every sky is blue as long as you're loving, loving. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby. You're my constellation. Oh, baby. Every sky is blue as long as you're loving, loving. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby. You're my constellation. Oh, baby.
Say 3.
Oh, is the one that you're supposed to pay him on Friday young, for dressing up.
3.
2.
1. Close your eyes, Lwazi. Close your eyes. Surprise.
Holla.
Lwazi.
Holla, holla. Holla, holla.
Touch your badge, Enzo.
Touch your page.
Surprise. Where's your sweet? Where's your sweet?
Yeah, they didn't say thank you. Bring my toys
You
back.
didn't say thank you.
Bring my toys back. You didn't say thank you. Bring them. Thank you. Bring my sweets.
Thank you.
Oh, me. 5. Anzi. Last week Thursday. When I look with you, I'm going to school with my child. So.
Every sky is blue as long as you're loving, loving. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been Every sky is blue. As long as you love it. You've been so good to me. Give you everything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby, every sky is blue. As long as you love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. Been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby, every sky is blue. As long as you love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby, every sky is blue. As long as you love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby, every sky is blue. As long as you love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby. give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby, every sky is blue as long as you love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby, every sky is blue as long as you love it. You've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby, every sky is blue as long as you love it. You've been so good.
Greetings, guys. Greetings. Today I'll be making a fat cake and doubling steamed bread with my daughter. Come here, Chef Enzo.
They don't see.
What are you saying?
I was saying this is us and brothers. They don't see.
Come closer. Tell them what are you going to make today?
Today we're going to make fat cake.
Going to make paper cake. Tell them you already washed your hands.
I already washed my hands.
So let's go.
And let's go. And you're going to watch us doing it.
Okay. Don't forget to.
Don't forget to subscribe and comment the video, and don't forget to write, and don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to watch all of my parents' videos. Bye.
Dip your hands in oil. I'm going to also dip my hands in oil. And then you're gonna do like this, and then
Now we can
make some small balls like this.
I will speak like this, Mom.
Like this. Add again. Put another one. Yes.
It looks like I'm going to make a big one. It looks like he gave me a big one.
A big one.
Yes.
Yes.
It can be
Like this. You do like this.
all like this.
Yes. Hold mine. Do you see? Like this. Do like this. You see? Don't press. You just. So let's go and put it
In there.
Yes.
Oops. Oil.
Add again. Yeah. Make it.
All already. I put oil already.
You must make a ball. Don't forget to.
I did put oil. Now I start making the ball. with my hand. Almost. Yeah, I'm done.
Thank you.
Yeah. Squad.
Thank you.
It's pooping out. It's pooping out. Mama, when I'm done cooking, I'm going to smush. Smush. I'm going to make one right now. Mama, the thing is almost finished. I hope I didn't get too
Let's put oil like this. And then, see?
And then I take it out of my hands and wipe this oil on my hand. Yeah. It's getting all over my hand. Now I start making the ball. Yeah. The ball is done. So I'm going to look like this table. So my hands they look like they're pooping. So done the to see.
Guys, I forgot to show you dumpling. Dumpling. This is our dumpling. This is our steamed bread. Steamed bread. It's boiling nicely.
And I see Mama is boiling.
No, you're gonna get burnt.
Okay.
And then this is our fat cake.
Take the ball.
Wait, let me take that thing.
Okay, good there. Mama is taking long and it's getting small.
So this is our first fat cake. This is our first fat cake.
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4.
Yeah, let's go and make the last one.
Here is it.
Yes, let's make it the last one. Wow. Guys, look.
That's why it didn't take heat. Mommy almost put it in my hair.
Sis. Let me go get oil.
You didn't put your hand in your...
Just try to take it off from your hands.
Mm.
Do you want fat cake? Eh? Enzo, come. Do you want fat cake? Yes. Okay. Get the dish, Enzo. Razi's up there.
I got this one.
I wanted to make patties with ground beef, but the way it's frozen, it's another day, guys. It's another day.
What is making Mama?
How many pancakes do you want?
I want 2.
No, 1, 3.
Ah!
I also want 2, I guess. This are your 2. Guys, we made 6 and then this one's bent, but it's fine. I'm gonna eat. You don't want polony? You want polony?
What do you want?
Eh?
You want polony? Mama,
You don't want juice?
I also juice.
Eh?
You know about a fake cake burger, Mama.
Like this.
Mama, I also want that thing that is a second that the last time we eat in school. That's why That was frozen, was in there only
Mama,
one.
it's me. I'm not gonna stand up anymore. This one is sitting me over here.
We're gonna go to the doctor when Daddy comes, ne?
Me not gonna.
Yeah. Come with the juice. You want juice, Mus? Do you want Archer? Oh, it's fine.
I don't want Archer. Archer is too hot.
You want Archer? You're gonna push yourself Archer.
But not too much was. Music girl. Mama, what is in there?
Huh?
What is in there?
I also want a Poloni, 2 of them.
Where is?
A
Where
Poloni.
are the cups? Was it? This one is yours. This one is for Mama, and this one is mine. Music come to me the more. Music come to me the more.
That spoon. So that you can take a spoon. Ambo bega look, Stacy. Ambo bega look. Take a spoon there. I'm gonna eat in here because I don't want to make the dish. You guys, the Lona, they're so bad, but it's fine.
Music
Gonna
come
put,
to me.
you can put juice, pour juice. Gonna put Archer.
I'm putting for you guys.
Archer. That's so nice.
Come and take your juice.
And this one is mine.
This one. Yes, I know.
Did you say thank you? Bye. Don't forget to pour for me.
I'm pouring a bigger one because I go now.
Sharp, it's fine. Thank you, ne?
Mm-hmm.
You want to watch?
Peppa Pig.
You want to watch Peppa Pig?
Yes.
Peppa Pig. Let's ride Peppa Pig.
Yeah, this one, Mama. Put.
Which one?
I saw that is something that is nice.
Where? Ish. Okay, let's do it again.
Yeah, face it.
This one.
This one that I'm pointing.
Oh, you want that one?
Yes.
Okay. For 2 hours.
Every sky is blue.
Cooking. I made a mincemeat and steamed bread. I was craving it, so I am done. Let me dish up. This is our steamed bread, and then this is our mincemeat. Somebody bought us this called nature piece, and this is for the kids, obvious.
And this one is for the what?
And this one is for me, obvious.
This one for you too.
And this one for me too. Thank you, baby.
I don't want a kiss.
Thank you, my husband. Shut down, guys. Shut down.
And the soup too.
Ewa. This is our steamed bread. That's our steamed bread, guys. This is our steamed bread. Looks nice, ne? Looks very nice. Looks very nice. Looks very nice, sure. I'm proud of myself. I am proud of me. How? Fast this off. I keep it then. Unless you forgot about the double. Eh? Hey, Lwazi. How? Lwazi? Umbonile nje Lwazi namuhla baby. How? Daddy's here. You didn't even say hi. Ngiyalobuya ukubonile yini? Into ukuthi uyivile le ntathu imphethe. Umvile le ntathu imphethe.
Yeah.
Yini? Sibuhlungu phela.
Every sky is blue.
You also want
As
food?
long as you love her. Love.
Hey babe.
You've been so good